I guess we are live. Seems to me. Let me check audio quality just in case. Okay. Uh, audio quality just in case. Yep. Seems like audio quality is good. Let me change this music to some lofi. Uh, because that would be better. Uh-huh. Yep. So day 4 advent of code and uh, I guess yep. So day 4 let's go through this question. This needs to be cleared before the last supplies can be unloaded from the ships, and so several elves have been assigned the job of cleaning up the sections of the camp. Interesting. Every section has unique ID number. Each elf is assigned range of sections IDs, right? However, some of else compare the section assignments with each other. They have noticed that many of assignments overlap. They try to quickly find overlap and reduce duplicated effort. Okay, that seems great. Else pair up and make a big list of section assignments for each pair. Okay. For example, the following list assignment is like this. So, in the first pair of elf, uh, it is like 2, 3, 4, while the second elf has assigned 6, 7, 8. Uh, okay, the elves in second pair were assigned two sections. Mm-hmm. One got 5 to 7 and 7 also got 7, 8, 9. So this example is single digit section IDs to make it easier to draw. Your actual list might contain larger numbers. Okay. Visually, these pair sections assignment might look like 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm getting what it is saying. Like this is 2 to 4 an interval and 6 to 8 another integer. Okay, this seems to be great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7 to 9. So the pairs have noticed as fully contains the other. 2 to 8 fully contains 3 to 7, 6, 6 fully contains 4 to, and 6 is fully contained by 4 to 6. In pairs 1, 7 fully contains the one alpha pair would be exclusively sectional. Okay, so this seems like the most in need of reconstruction. So in this example, there are two such pairs. In how many assignments does one range contain uh, the other? Okay, I get it. So it's like fully contain. Okay, so a range is nothing but a pair of integers. I guess the tough task here is just to parse integer something, I guess, right? So 2 to 4 and 6 to 8. Do we have some sort of regular expression? Regex? Regex Haskell? Okay, I'm gonna do. My first thought is going with regex, actually. Mm-hmm. Regular expressions. There is text or regex and something like that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Get all text matches. Hmm. Can we have better strategy for parsing? Can we parse it, right? Hmm. So it seems like yes, we can, right? Um, seems to be more monadic kind of stuff, but I'm just gonna do it without monads. Okay, let's start it out. 4.hs, and I'm copying my CP template just in case, you know. So solve is something that takes a list of a string and returns an integer. Okay, strs is equal to for the time it's undefined, and let's solve. Okay, so I'm gonna have a function like parse line. Parse line takes a string and returns pair of pair of integers, right? So parse line str equal to for a time it's undefined. Hmm. So I need to actually like read int. How is gonna read it do? Where c dot read int str, and it's like just first str first equal to this. I need to read int, right? I actually need a read int function. Read int is such that it takes strings and return integer. I don't know if I can parse integer from the starting of the line. Uh, I don't think we're gonna have negative numbers, right? Or we? I don't think we are gonna have negative numbers. So I can write my own readint. Readint is something that takes a string and returns an integer. It assumes that integer has so readint str. Readint this is 0, right? Readint x2 xs is digit x, then hmm, order of x minus order of x minus order of 0. Readint prime 0, readint prime where readint prime, and I would start from uh, cur and the list lst. So if it's x to xs equal to cur into 10 plus order of is digit x, then it's like cur into 10 plus mm, plus order of x minus order of 0. Readint prime of this and xs, right? And the last is otherwise equal to cur x axis. Okay. And for example, if I get an empty thing, then it's like cur and this. So this seems to be doing my read int work, right? Mm-hmm. Now I can just go for read int or read int str, and it's saying not in scope, right? So that is just str first, and that gives me the first number. Then the second number is like second number is there is a dash and then a number. So second and str second is equal to read int, and we are gonna take from str first, drop one str. Actually, it's like this tail of str first, right? So that's second, and we go for third, and third. Oh, what is str? Third is equal to again read int, and again tail of str second, and fourth. You don't care. And now it's like first, second, third, fourth, right? So that is the parse line for me. I guess this is the parsing part. Um what I can do is I can actually just try to parse every line and just show that, right? Right? So it's just like uh, content get line and content let L equal to lines, let L equal to lines content, and then and I can just do map them parse line and L, right? I can just try it. GSCI load for, and I don't know, dot slash sc4 bin slash 4 e4 dot example. Let me just take all the examples from here. Okay, it's like 2468. I don't know if it was able to do for everyone, was it? Oh, that is because fmap. Okay, that's a kind of we don't need to do the calculation. We have to somehow make it explicitly do the calculations, right? So I can just go for then parse line and then fst and again fst and length and then some. Oh, that's very strange. It's like 2, 4, and 6, 8 only. That's really strange, right? What is happening right here? Oh, am I missing something? Wow. Oh, this is what is happening. Get content. Okay. Right. And now I can actually see it's like 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. So this is right. I can totally say this is right. Okay, so let's go. Once I pass the line, I just need to check like if on an interval is completely inside other, right? Is interval overlapping is mm, fully is fully contained, is fully do fully contains. Let me change the song to something better. This one. I'm not sure. Oh, YouTube is not receiving enough. Do fully contains, and wow, I am facing internet issues. R1 and R2, so it's like AB and CD is equal to. So now, how it can be? How A fully contains B? So it should be like A is less than equal to C and T is greater equal to B, right? And Once I get it, so now I just df this. hmm I just parse line, fmap parse line, and then I filter uh, uncurry to fully contains, and then I take length, right? This should actually just give me the things. Is it 4? No, it's not 4. 2 fully contains, it's saying it's 4. No, that's not the case actually. There is this one and there is this one. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's wrong actually, right? Can I just here, wow. Let's see what is the list, right? 2468. 2468. Is it? Should not be the one. Parse line is not being called itself or what? Oh, it's length list. 246 is right actually. 468. 2468 satisfies the criteria. 2 is less than 6, right? And B should be greater than D. Oh, okay. And now it should be 2. Oh, now it's 1. Now it's 1. And it should be actually. Uh, right? Um, so, or Fred, um, F and G compose or f g x is equal to uh, f of x or g of x, right? So um, compose or, and I should have two things. I should have uncurry flip to fully contains something like that. Okay, so this is it, and wanted eligible members and it's like length of eligible members, and we are done with the part one, right? So I need 4 dot prod entry. Let's have that. My internet is working or not? I don't think my internet is really bad right now today. Five 552. Oh my badness. It's really bad. Like it's like somehow it's just going on. Seems like yeah, it's like number of overlap at all. Okay. Overlap at all is something that uh okay, that's easy. Do overlap. Okay, uh if it overlaps, either B should be greater equal to C or D should be less than equal to B. Otherwise, how does it overlap? CD, AB, D should be greater equal to A. Okay, so my idea here is if it's like CD, AB, so if B is greater equal to C, then it overlaps. Then if D is greater equal to A, then also it overlaps. And we do a solve prime, and where eligible members are actually just do overlap. Hmm. problem. Solve prime is first thing is we map with uh, first thing is we map with parse line, right? And once we map with parse line, we are like, okay, filter on curry, uh, do overlap, and once done with that, it should be just length. Okay, in this example, the number 4 overlapping assignment is 4, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, that's right. 2 to 8 and 3 to 7, that's right. 6 to 6, 4 to 6, 2 to 6, 4 to 8. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 6 to 8 is there? No. 2 to 4. So, what's the problem? 4. I'm like 4 should be do overlap says B should be greater equal to C. 4 should be greater equal to 6. No. Or T should be greater equal to A. No. What? Even then it gives me a wrong answer. 2468. Do overlap satisfies for 2468? That's really load 4.hs do overlap 2468. It's true. How is it true? A B C D. So it should be B should be equal to C. That's not the case. Or D should be. Oh, that's the case. That's the case. Uh-huh. It should be a little bit, more like if A is less than equal to C, then it's like B should be greater equal to C, right? Otherwise, it should be D, and now it's false. And now I can actually just, first of all, I can compile and check if it's 4. And now because it's 4, we can remove excess, right? And I can just use prod, and that's 893. Okay. Yep. Day 4 is completed. I'm not having a good stream today. Like it's really going bad. So, uh, because like I don't have good data internet connection today. So that was all for today. See you guys. Not tomorrow actually. Why not tomorrow? Because I'll not be there.